news from Uttar Pradesh and a shocker where 69 COVID patients were stuck outside a hospital gate for over an hour. This incident took place outside the Government Medical College in Saifai on Monday morning. A bus with 69 corona-positive patients had reached the hospital early morning, but the gates were shut. The patients were being transferred from a facility in Agra to this medical college, and on camera you can see the patients just waiting around, sitting around there on that road. Let's just take a look at what the patients had to say and what the cops there had to say.
आराम से यहीं पर रहो। अभी मेडिकल टीम आ रही होगी, जो यहाँ के सुपरविजन अधिकारी हैं वो आ रहे होंगे, आपकी लिस्ट बना करके उसके बाद अंदर लेंगे आपको। ज्यादा चिंतित मत हो, ज्यादा घबराओ मत। अभी बीमारी है, अब जो हो गया है वो तो हो ही गया है, लेकिन अगर इधर भागोगे दूसरे को भी हो जाएगा। तो आप यहाँ पे आराम से जहाँ बैठे हो वहीं पे रहो, ज्यादा भागने आगने का इधर प्रयास मत करो फालतू। मेडिकल टीम आएगी, लिस्ट बना करके आपकी अंदर लेगी। बात हो रही है, पहले से सूचना होती है अगर, तो अब तक वो लिस्टें विस्टें सब बन जाती, पहले तैयारी रहती है यहाँ पे। अब कोई ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेशन थी नहीं, अचानक आप लोग आ गए हो, तो ज्यादा होपलेस मत हो। ज्यादा ये तो समस्या कभी भी किसी के भी सामने आ सकती है।
इसकी लापरवाही है ये तो मैं नहीं कह सकता, लेकिन मैं इतना जरूर जानता हूँ कि ये पेशेंट्स परसों आने थे, और जब भी मरीज ट्रांसफ़र किए जाते हैं इतने नंबर में, तो इसका तरीका ये होता है कि एक जिम्मेदार डॉक्टर, चिकित्सक या कोई एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर लिस्ट लेके आए जिसमें सारे मरीजों के नाम लिखे हों, उनका क्लिनिकल स्टेटस पता हो, तब जो है उन मरीजों को हम अंदर, हमारा तो वार्ड सब कुछ तैयार था, पहले भी वीडियो में बता चुके हैं। लेकिन हुआ ये कि कुछ कम्युनिकेशन गैप्स रहे। हमारी टीम तो हमेशा अलर्ट पे थी, लेकिन वो कम्युनिकेशन गैप्स होने की वजह से ये जब पहुंचने थे, मतलब उस दिन तो पहुंचे नहीं, तो नेक्स्ट डेट में आए तो हमारी टीम को उतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं थी जो मुझे भी पता चला है, क्योंकि मैं इसका पूरा इंक्वायर किया। तो इस चक्कर में फिर भी हमारी टीम ने पूरी जिम्मेदारी दिखाते हुए उन सारे पेशेंट्स को कोई डॉक्यूमेंट न होने के बाद भी उनको अंदर लिया। उस प्रोसेस में जो टाइम लगा होगा, आधा घंटे 1 घंटे, वही टाइम लगा। उसमें वो कहाँ घूमे, हमारी जानकारी के हिसाब से तो घूमे नहीं, वो फ्लू ओपीडी के पास ही रहे। लेकिन आप लोग बता रहे हैं तो हो सकता है, सुबह का टाइम का था, 5-6 बजे का टाइम था, तो हो सकता है घूमे हो, उसका तो हमें वेरिफिकेशन अभी तक नहीं हो पाया।
All right, so that incident took place on Thursday morning. Alok joins us for more. And Alok, quite surprising and a lack of coordination really, that these coronavirus positive patients suffering from the disease are just being made to wait in this manner for nearly an hour?
Well, you're absolutely right. I think it's one of the truly bizarre situations that I have encountered in the last month or so. It's not, I mean, I don't want to say that it is a norm. There are many hospitals that are responding in a good manner to this entire fight against the coronavirus. But this seems to be a very bizarre and worrying incident, because as you can hear the Vice Chancellor there, Mr. Kumar, saying that according to his estimation, these people were stuck outside the gates of the hospital for an hour. Our local reporters tell us that it was not an hour, it was more. Like the bus reached around 4 and these patients were taken in only around 6 or 6:30. So that's around 2.5 hours. But anyway, that the duration can be disputed perhaps. But what cannot be disputed is that this was a failure at many levels, because these are people who need to be isolated. And these are people who need to be getting treated, or at least be in isolation wherever they are. Here you have a truly bizarre situation where a bus has brought them from Agra, a West UP district, to this medical college in Saifai, which would be 100 kilometers away. The bus has come there, it's standing there, these patients are outside, they are sitting on a footpath. There's even a clip where they are picking up water from from a sack kind of thing. And I mean, the first responders are cops. I mean, they come there and they are making announcements, asking them not to roam around, asking them to sit at one place, telling them that ki tumko ho gaya to aur kisi ko na ho, so you just sit there. So again, I think this response by the Vice Chancellor, it doesn't really convince you that that all has to be done about this. Perhaps there needs to be at least an inquiry about it, about what actually happened. Why were these authorities in Saifai not in the know that this bus would arrive from Agra? I mean, that is truly bizarre. It cannot really happen. But that's what the Vice Chancellor seems to be saying on record, that they had no idea that this bus was going to come at this particular time from Agra. Also, if he points out that there was no Zimmedar Adhikari or a responsible official in the bus. Why was that the case? I mean, were these 69, 70 people sent with just 2 or 3 cops and drivers and something else to Saifai? I mean, that doesn't seem believable. So maybe more facts of this should come to light, and something like this should really be avoided, because not only is it bad optics, it also is not an ideal situation where people suffering from a disease like this, or at least displaying symptoms of a disease like this, are made to sit and wait outside on a footpath while the hospital scrambles to get ready to admit them.
Right.
These things should have been done in advance, and once the bus arrived, there should have been a team of medical officers there waiting for them.